In this video, I'll show you how you can blur out a specific point in CapCut. Now first what you need to do is you need to find your video or picture file, upload it in here. Now once you're in here, you're going to select it and find where you want to blur. So let's say in this video, I want to blur out the add drive right here. What you need to do then is find the point where it pops up, the correct frame, which is right here for me, as you can see. So I'm gonna press Ctrl B on this frame. Once it is cut like this, you're gonna press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now there should be two right here. Now then what you're gonna do is select the top one. From in here, go to Mask in Video. Select one of these shapes. It can be any of them. I like the mirror and the rectangle one. If you select rectangle, a rectangle like this will pop up. By the way, you zoom in by holding down Control and using the mouse to zoom in and out. Then shape it how you wanna. Make it fit to add drive. Just like this. As you can see, now it covers. Then what you're gonna do is go to Effects, Pro, scroll down until you find Oblique Blur, or you can search for it, and drag it onto this one. Now from in here you can choose the blur how much. I usually take it at 100, so it's completely blurred out. And as you can see now, when you play it, it will look like this. As soon as it opens up, it will be blurred. Just like that. Now if you don't want to blur it anymore, or there's a part you don't want to blur, let's say, because after this you can see it's still blurring this part, what you can do is you can cut it to when it closes down, right here. Press on it, Ctrl B. And then from in here, you're going to click on the little star you see up here. It's to open up the effect. Press on the blue one, which is the blur. Press the delete button on your keyboard. Now the blur effect will no longer be on this one and still only on this one. As you can see right here. Now that's basically how you can do it on CapCut on your PC. It's super easy, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.